You can build a 4x12 ortholinear mechanical keyboard powered by the Adafruit KB2040 and CircuitPython. KMK is a firmware built on top of CircuitPython that makes it easy to configure custom mechanical keyboards. This makes it easy to customize key maps, layers, macros, and RGB lighting directly by editing Python files on the dev board's USB storage. Pog is an open source graphical tool that features a key map editor for creating custom layouts without having to write or edit any code. The Pog software lets you easily add multiple layers, allowing you to expand your key codes and even add custom macros, strings, and media controls. The Adafruit KB2040 is wired up to NeoKey ortholinear snap-apart PCBs, making a key matrix of a total of 48 key switches. To learn how to build your own custom ortholinear keyboard, check out the tutorial at learn.adafruit.com. The NeoKey PCBs feature Kale sockets, allowing you to add your favorite flavor of Cherry MX compatible key switches without having to solder. Our 3D printed snap fit case houses all of the electronics and can be customized to fit your project. Just add your own set of keycaps to personalize your CircuitPython powered keyboard. We hope this inspires you to check out Pog for KMK and the Adafruit KB2040 for your next custom mechanical keyboard.